beginning of a very random vlog, but I am finally going to go and pick up my laptop. I have never ever had a laptop, so this is a very big day for me. It's a Sunday. I've been awake since 8 a.m. so that I can go pick my laptop and I know I'm very excited. Are you? I don't know. Another information that I have got this laptop not from India because I wanted this for so much, but I also wanted something within my budget. So I asked all my friends or all my known people who are staying outside and prices in each country when a sale is coming and blah blah blah. So बहुत calculation और बहुत maths के बाद result है ये laptop. That's another reason why I'm finally like, okay, finally I am having this and I can now do all the tasks which I have told myself कि I had told myself कि laptop आएगा तब करेंगे, तो वो सब करना है. Another part of my day which I forgot to document. As always, I am learning. This is very new for me. Not really, but yes, it is publicly vlogging. Is it finally got this? Finally got this personalized. The finally. It's what is it? It is 8:30, and we are off to a dinner. Cannot miss the India-Pakistan T20 World Cup match at any cost. You can see it. Here's the proof. Sadly, our target restaurant was Anardana, but वहाँ पे जगह नहीं मिली है, तो we are trying Gola Sizzlers today. So we are done with our food at Gola, and to be honest, uh, food was good, but the service was not. I mean, the staff was not able to understand English or Hindi, so that was a major issue. And now we are at Bichil for dessert. नहीं पा रहे हैं इनसे, लेकिन वो देखो बहुत ही ज्यादा स्मार्ट बन के दो माचिस के साथ बाल मत जला लेना अपने. आराम से. परफेक्ट. वाओ. डैडी ये मैच बंद करो, हद हो गई. Ending the day with some browsing and कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. Store is closing and we are now off.